1021. $10.16.
It's the recovery of the Lehigh Defense 174 grain maximum expansion load. We're looking at two of the three wound channels here that were shot with a 5-inch 1911. The bottom is our bare gel wound channel. The top is our 4 layers of heavy denim wound channel. It's kind of weird, but it actually looks like maybe the 4 layer of denim started to expand a little sooner than the bare gel shot. And then just these massive stretch cavities. You saw that the stretch cavity looked almost like a basketball. So I'll get the ruler up here, but this is very large. Wound channels look very similar. What I did notice is the bare gel shot went a little bit farther than the 4 layer of heavy denim test shot. They both look like they stretched the block a little bit and bounced back just a tiny bit. This is the bullet base of the denim shot, and I've taken a still image. I'll show you how much denim was actually retained with the bullet. By looking at the front of the hollow point cavity, obviously with the bare gel shot there was no denim. So I think after I recover this short barrel test right here in another video, I'm going to cut right down through here, and we'll see if we can get some visibility into the total spread of that cutting damage from those petals from the top to the bottom of this wound channel. With the ruler up, you can see expansion started right at 1 inch. So for the first inch there was no real expansion at all, and at 1 inch it starts to open up, reaches its greatest width at about 2¼ inches for the denim shot. Bare gel shot looks like it took a little bit longer, almost out to 3 inches. And the wound channel does get a little smaller. The stretch cavity wound channel does get a little smaller at about 1.6 inches, and you can already see the denim test shot ran out to, I'm going to call it 7.5. The bare gel shot actually made it out to 8 1/8 inches to the very tip of the farthest petal. Give you guys a quick look at the wound channels. I cross-cut the block 3 inches in, and then with these Lehigh Defense loads, like we saw with the 38 previous test, these cuts are permanent. So with a little bit of just pressure, you can open them back up. And the 1911 shots, you're looking at a full 1.25 inches across. So if we put this up, you can see it starts right at the 5 line and runs all the way out to 6¼ inches from end to end, and it's relatively the same top to bottom, side to side. But that's a permanent cut that's not really rehealing itself. Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you like the channel, go ahead and subscribe.